Hey guys, so my mom got me this for my birthday, and I got one last year and I loved it. So, okay, so how much Squishmallows are in there?
There's 3 Squishmallows, but they're mystery Squishmallows, so we don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, we got it open. I didn't know it'd be this big. Okay. Oh, that was really easy. Okay, so we're gonna.
First,
Okay, we're gonna. Its name is.
Warren.
It's so cute. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay, the second is Clara. She's a little cupcake. She actually smells good. Smell it. Okay, and then the third one is, how do you say that?
Camden.
Is this a bird? It's so cute. Okay, and then mom also gave me these lotions. This one is lemon hand and body cream, and then this one is cherry blossom, which I think this one was my favorite. And then I got grape. I think this one would be good too. And then bluebell. This one. I think these two will be my favorite. Which ones do you think you'll like out of the most?
Bluebell.
I probably like cherry blossom the most. Okay, that's all. Bye guys. My next video will be testing and smelling all of